Hi, I'm Owen, Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Are you looking to refresh the look of your bathroom? Well, one of the biggest expenses in refurbishing your bathroom is replacing the bathtub. Well, I've got a product just for you that will help you restore your old bathtub. It'll also save you time and money whilst not having to remove it.
The materials needed to complete the task are enamel roller and paint tray, foam paintbrush, drop cloth, cleaner and bleach, sponge, painter's tape, 400 to 600 grit wet sandpaper. Rust-Oleum bath and tub is a two-part epoxy acrylic that provides high durability, adhesion and color retention in high moisture areas. This product will give you a high quality finish that looks just like porcelain and ceramic. Each kit will cover between 6 to 9 square meters, which is suitable for a standard bathtub. Make sure that the surface of the tub is clean, using a solution of bleach and water to wipe down the tub with a sponge and rinse thoroughly. Remove any old silicone sealant. Prepare the surface with an abrasive pad or wet sandpaper and rinse to remove all residue. Allow the surface to dry completely before applying the paint. Give the surface one final wipe down with a dust cloth. Before painting, use the painter's tape to mask off areas like the edge of the bathtub and the waste drain as well as overflow. Now you're ready to paint. It's extremely important by making sure that the area is well ventilated. Open all windows and doors and use a fan to create a fresh flow of air. Wearing gloves and safety glasses, thoroughly stir part A and part B of the paint separately to mix through any pigment that may have settled at the bottom of the cans. Now you can add part A to part B and mix for 2 minutes. Once combined, make sure that you use within 6 hours of mixing.
A good idea when trying to achieve a top quality finish, especially using an enamel roller, is to take painter's tape, put it onto the roller, just roughly get it on there, then take it off. That gets rid of all that fluff that you would have had in your paint.
To achieve a smooth finish, use a high quality enamel roller. Avoid excess rolling by using light even strokes while keeping a wet edge as you go. For touch-ups and corners, use a small foam brush. Small bubbles will appear on the surface while painting, but don't worry, these will disappear as the paint dries due to its self-leveling properties. You must allow the paint to dry for at least 1 hour before applying a second coat. Remove the painter's tape within an hour of applying the final coat. Wait 3 days to expose the surface to any water. Before full use of your bathtub, you will need to reseal affected areas that requires silicone bathroom sealant and allow to dry.
Well, that was fairly simple. Now you can enjoy your newly refurbished bathtub in style. All the products used in this insert are available at your local builders or online. Well, if you'd like to see more projects like this and more, please click on our blog tab on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders